Hi, I'm Jasmine and I was sent this pink 5-foot extension power strip to check out for you. I love this. Look how pretty that pink is. This is super cute. You could use it for your daughter's room. Pretty much any girl is gonna love this. I don't have an office anymore, but I used to decorate my office in pink and white, and this would have fit right in there. This has 7 charging ports. It has 3 of your standard AC ports with the 3 prongs, 2 USB ports and 2 USB-C ports. So you can plug in everything you need to plug in all in one place. The other great thing about this is that you can wall mount it. So it comes with screws for you to do that, or you can even use these sticky pads that it comes with. They fit right on the back here and you can just mount it to your wall super easy. The other thing I love about this is this flat extension cord. The fact that this is flat and so thin is awesome because it's gonna slide right behind your desk super easy or sit under your rug and you're barely gonna notice it's there. The plug here that goes into your wall is also super thin and flat, so you don't have to move your desk out to keep it plugged in behind it. The USB-C port here has a maximum output of 15.5 watts, which is gonna be great for my phone. Now that I ran through all my favorite features of this, let's go try this out. Here is my dresser where we charge all of our electronics. I went ahead and plugged this in. You can see that cord fits right behind here and it's plugged in back there. I can also plug everything that I need to plug in here because there's so many charging port options. This is my husband's alarm clock, and because the plug is so bulky, we have to run it behind the dresser and plug it in over here. So it is so nice that I don't have to do that with this portable power strip. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe.